Is he crying?
No? Nare-release sila sa mga modern system ngayon because of some sort of reverse engineering tsaka parang filling the gap.
Oh, dito. Kwarto ni Roka. Si Roka. Oh? Ah, okay. Yun. MGS na lang laro natin. Saka ko na itutuloy ito. Hanson, hello. Dexter Cabrillos, PC po gamit nyo. Hindi po sir, PS5 po.
Mga ganun. Yan ang ginagawa, no? So, yun ang tawag na clock in, clock out. Hey. Stay ka lang, ha?
West. If you don't like it, run back to Meridian.
The Meridian I saved, you mean?
That's right. Nobody walks to the gate until the third clan arrives and the Tanakh horn has sounded.
No? I don't know kung saan nila nakukuha yung kanilang income, no? Or baka dahil sustentado pa sila or what. Pero dito sa atin, no? For you to have at least
even if it meant killing me in the process, or so it would seem. Are you one of Volkin's men? You'll never get it from me.
No. I'm a CIA agent.
to person 3, no? So ngayon, kung yan ang purpose mo, kaya mo kinuha yung lahat, yung pinakabuong ledger dun sa blockchain is mag-create ng transaction.
Go, get it!
Diba? So, magiging invalid siya. Diba? Yun yung key doon. Yun yung key ng decentralize. Yan. Ang tawag dito sa ganitong method is topic at hand. No? So, ngayon, here's the thing. So, ano yung solution? Ano yung naisip ko parang solution for this?
Palaban pala yun. Kaya pala.
So instead, we'll be using one of our newest weapons. Snake, you're being given an honor on par with Alan Shepard. This is our last chance. Show your patriotism. If you fail...
You're right. We don't know the details, but it appears to be a new kind of nuclear device. For half a year now, the Soviets have been conducting frequent nuclear tests at Semipalatinsk.
Something to do with the weapon, I assume.
Lang sa sa hot seat. Diba? May mga demandahan na, may mga investigation nang nangyayari, no? O, diba? Sa mga whistleblower, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Kanilang pamato, ika nga. And then, syempre, so since sila yung may-ari ng IP, so syempre, ang community, no, very eager to okay. Game. Let's go. No. Nandun ako minsan nakikinig sa mga small YouTuber eh. Hindi mo sa nakikinig in a sense na parang, alam mo yun, na depende pa rin, no? Kung if I agree dun sa ko, and then nasa akin na yung game. Pwede ko na malaro. Diba? So, magiging ganun yung nun, magiging ganun yung setup nun. Ayun para may konting interaction or what, no? Pero I'm trying my best to refrain reading comments, no? Later. That's why binabasa.
Your mission is to bring Sokolov back alive. He must not be exposed to any kind of danger. Do not approach Sokolov while in the alert phase.
Right.
Oh, and one more thing, Snake.
then, if you don't mind, Savior.
Is to make the wearers one with the gods as they take appearance of them and perform the ritual dance.
I hear something.
Ginawa mo for all games, and then at the same time dinala mo rin din siya dun sa mga newer games. Yun yung parang masasabi kong very unfair naman na usage ng piracy mode, diba?
Sure to be popular spectators. There are even some famous people. Walayo. Okay. Oh, may kamay. Maganda yung
Baga ang point doon, nag-spark siya ng interest sa marami. So nagkaroon ng parang surge of demand. Then syempre yung mga someone no na in control dun sa supply ng mga ganitong loom, no. So parang basta mga binayaran ko doon yung mismong Disneyland para mga 2.5 or to 3K. Diba? So isipin nyo 2.5 3K, no? Parang doble ng Enchanted Kingdom ngayon.
It took him 2 weeks and more than 600 miles to get from the research facility in the Soviet Union to Berlin. He was in no condition to say anything coherent. And it was only a week later that we...
Sa mga tao na parang, alam mo yun, mahirap siyang i-grasp na hindi siya basta-bastang madaling i-absorb. So, ganun din dito. No? Especially kung tinatry.
dito. Hindi naman nabubuksan to.
It's okay na you disagree dun sa mga tao na yan, no? Sa mga pina-follow natin. It's okay. Kasi parang ibig sabihin nun, bina-voice out mo yung perspective na hindi nila nakikita.
Kasi diba si Miko na lang yung ano? Si Miko na lang yung natira dun sa ano? Dun sa dalawang kambal.
So siguro dahil ano din dahil siguro ang tawag dito dahil holiday, 'di ba? So syempre gusto ng mga
Yung garden. The most prominent of them is the mask of the lunar eclipse, crafted by the artisan, so it's a human soup. Baka yun yung tatay ni ano? Ay, tatay ni Ruka.
I wonder if I can find more of them out in the wild.
No? Kumbaga parang irregardless kung halimbawa mag-down si mag-down si Sony o dili kaya sabi natin mag-out of business si Sony. So since hindi na magiging available sa website
I'll have to send someone out to confirm the kills. Shouldn't take more than a day.
No. You blow the whistle now.
These are innocent Osram lives we're talking about here.
Come on. Keep blocking, then use a heavy attack or a power attack to break through. Either that or hit them from behind.
siya ng application. Part siya ng web application, di ba? Mag-share ka ng information or na parang let's say content. So, ngayon ang
bitch, labas. Tagal. Mamatay ka rin naman. Huli.
tayo, di ba, as a person, we need to understand or we need to discern to ourselves kung ano yung parang kung ano yung parang something na good and na walang masyadong heavy tasks and everything, no? Parang nagsasagot lang ng mga chat kung kailangan, di ba, o kaya ng email, di ba, o kaya nagpa-follow up ng
joyful scene.
Kung trade. Pero kung halimbawa monetary, kunyari binenta mo yung game, then mag-accept ka ng payment. Depende na lang 'yun. Kung GCash or I don't know, yun yung mode.
And not a moment sooner.
Fine. Captain's a friend of mine, you know? Where is Erend? Wouldn't mind speaking to South, after more bristlebacks?
Probably. This whole valley is swarming with them. The Vanguard seemed dead set on getting rid of them.
I see.
Hold on there, Red.
Who was that?
Varl.
What are you doing here?
Better let Corbin know his men are all right.
No? Kaya, syempre, naghahanap tayo ng alternative to experience that. Diba? Pero syempre, sa ibang tao na parang they are eager talaga no, to collect game.
In America. Please, take me to America. Quickly. They cannot complete it without my help. Got it.
Erend, I left when I did, how I did, for a reason. A good one.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
Listen to me. Life on Earth is in danger.
Yan na yung parang pinaka-exe niya. Executable na yung mga yan. Diba? So ngayon, ang tinatry ditong i-emphasize or i-emphasize is yung source code and okay. Game. Let's go.
Boss?
Ano na nanay niyo?
Pag dito, naipit na nga sa QA eh. Naipit na nga sa QA eh. Diba? So parang feeling ko mga 2 months na akong petics. Promise. Hindi. Work from home tayo. Wala eh. Iba eh. Iba yung parang privilege. Hindi privilege eh. Siguro yeah, privilege. But
Daming points na. 500k yung points na naipon.
Best you can do.
checking na ginagawa para malaman na ikaw as someone na may account sa ganitong platform, you are eligible to play this game kasi you
safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
Parang ikaw, you have the responsibility at some sort na parang you give no yung reasoning bakit
hindi naman kasi siya hospital lang eh, yung buong island mismo yung ano. Kumbaga sa Silent Hill, ito yung buong isla.
Please don't.
Yung Lodi, utang na loob. Matagal-tagal na yung parang last stream natin. So most probably yung mga notifications no hindi na umaandar sa inyo. So that's why
Namatay kaya ito si Joshua.
tayo, diba, as a person, we need to understand or we need to discern to ourselves kung ano yung parang kung yung parang something na good. And to be honest, Rafi, parang pwede rin natin siguro siyang in terms of governance, no? Sa atin, no, dito sa Pilipinas. Parang it's something din